Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to do a quick human torch sketch, and it is a sort of a loose sketch but with some perspective. So if you have your pencil ready, we are ready to start. I first am going to put down this circle and an arc right there. And then I'm going to put down an arc right there, circle, and I'm going to put down an oval right here, and another arc right there. So basically that's a very simple practice that we are putting in. I would recommend that if you could use very slight pencils here, it would be better. So we're going to tackle this first. This is his, so basically we are putting in his, so he's just going with a strong pose, sort of a fist that is showing bigger in the foreground. That's a part of the arm right there. And then we are going to just put down the face. Now this is a very generic face for the Human Torch. We got that much down. So right now this could be anything. So the only characteristic that separates the torch from other characters happens to be that fire that comes out of his body. So since we are doing a very generic sort of flame, we will just go randomly, and the way to do a flame in the best manner is to not really have a particular flow, like not go just like that. It could go like that, but I would rather go like this, like this, like this. So a little bit of circle, little bit of that, little bit of that, so everything like put together. So you could really have some fun playing with this, and it goes like right around his body really, because we are showing him that he is on fire. So in some flames, of course, there will be stray flames going here and there all around. So once you have put that much down, what we just need to do is put in some inks. There's no particular flow here, so when you're putting down those things, we have to just make sure of the light source that you wish to work with. So sometimes something that is absolutely minimum actually works, but just make sure to highlight the knuckles, the bends, and the areas that are going inside. And just loosely, just to make this quick. After all, we're doing a quick sketch and not necessarily rendering a work of art here. I wish I could have shown that Fantastic Four sign, but I have his fist up, so that is not going to work. Not today. He has to make do without showboating that logo off. So that is, and then of course if you just put in right around the flames some sort of effect lines, you do not have to. You could just fill in with a marker like right around, and if you're coloring the flames, then it's still a different story yet. But that is the general idea. Because if you have this area around and colored, you could even show that by erasing the tips of the flames, and they will actually stand out a little better. So that is just one quick Human Torch sketch. And once again, we just put that fist in the foreground. We put his shoulders and his head right there. So that is a quick exercise in sketching out the Human Torch. Thank you very much for watching. Please do keep in touch, subscribe. Have yourself a wonderful day.